Hi friends, I am directly watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a pie chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pie chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer. So first you click on the insert option, and then you just want to select the data that you just want to create as a chart. Then click on the chart option here on the insert option, and here you just want to change to the pie. So here you can see a 3D pie or pie of pie or like a ball of pie, like that. So there's a lot of things, but this is actually you can just more use it. This is for free, so you can just use this easily. So now I'm just going to choose a particular this option, this image, and click at use. Now you can see the data. You can see shop 1, shop 2, and shop 3, and the chart. If you just need more details, click on this. And here you will see a chart elements data label if you just needed like 500, 5400, the data label you just needed, and quick layout, and you can make it as percentage shop and percentage and shop like this, and like more and like more. That's it. So after doing this, you just select it, then click on the scale option. Here you can see a lot of scales like this, and which is you just needed. And also you can just change the color option, like from this, and from this. So what color you just needed, you can just choose it from the various options here. Then this is also a value and name, and click on the setting option. Here you can just choose to gradient background or solid background or picture info like pattern, and whatever you just needed. It's simple, and you can just create a super chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.